All right. Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's Monday noun. So percent. 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 As a part of every 100%. What is the growth percent? What is the percent of success? What is the ROI percent? Yeah, the maths. What's the percent? And how many percents of growth? How many percents of growth? We have 1%, 10%, but how many percents has this changed? How many percents has this grown by? So we could say percent, singular, yeah, percents, 2 plus, yeah, percents. How cool is that? So there was a small percent. We only saw a small percent of people coming to the meeting. We only saw a small percent. Yeah. How cool is that? We are reading how the percents are changing. You see, I have these documents and they are telling me how the numbers and percents have changed over time. Over time, things have changed. It's just different in general. Whoa, need to be careful. Soon, the percentages will be impacted. We've got percent and percentages. These different percentages are wrong. 5%, different percents, 10%, 5%, different percents, and these percentages, these plural adjectives, these percentages are wrong. Yeah, these things, these different percentages are wrong. Yeah. Well, it depends. Sometimes it's a noun, sometimes it's an adverb. But different percentages. We will see different percentages all the time. Different percent here, different percent there. But these percentages are all wrong. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use percent in a sentence? Can you use it? And write it in a comment, and comment below. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, and Udemy, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.